How to create event on WhatsApp. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. So let's dive right in without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. Before starting the video, make sure to update WhatsApp to the latest version. Then open up WhatsApp on a device. Now simply open up your chat. Now tap on message. Then tap on the attach icon. Now simply tap on event. Now type the event name. Now tap on the description. Then add the description. Now select the date. Now tap on OK. Then tap on time. Now select the event time and tap on OK. If you want to add end time, simply tap on add end time. Now select the date and time. Now fill up all the details. Now once you're done, simply tap on send at the bottom right corner. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.